So, what is my plan to grow my crypto portfolio to $1 million? So, right now, I have invested $1,987 into Bitcoin, and I've made a gain of $277 with 95 cents. And so, my goal to reach the 1 million mark in crypto is by investing more and more as time goes on, right? And how will that work, right? Basically, obviously the goal is to never ever 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 invest into quote unquote, shit coins and or speculative, crypto that's not like good, right? And so, in a way, the two blue chip cryptocurrencies that I would invest in the long term would be either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Uh, Third crypto, I'm not really sure. I'm really stuck on Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin or Doge. But for now, I'm just sticking to my two favorite blue chip cryptocurrencies, which are Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, so let's move to the strategy. So, my strategy to reach $1 million in crypto is by try to, buy crypto when it dips. Obviously, the dip strategy is, it's like easy in a way. It's easy to understand, when you see Bitcoin dip, buy there, right? And so my strategy is basically when I see a personal entry or a personal level that I see Bitcoin at, that's where I want to, buy into Bitcoin, right? And so my personal entry point for now, right now, is if Bitcoin touches the 9-day moving average, that's a personal entry point I want to enter into Bitcoin, right? Now, let's say Bitcoin has like a crazy volatile day. Like let's say Bitcoin crashes, down for yeah, it just crashes down, right? And so my personal entry point would be anywhere around the 180-day moving average or the 200-day moving average, right? Now, let's say if Bitcoin were to keep crashing down, right? Uh, I would personally enter somewhere around the 54,000 level or the 54,000 level or close to it, which is 55,000 level. And yeah, I mean, I feel like Bitcoin is just kind of like playing the how do you say, the support and resistance game right now. It's like going up, it's going down, it's going up, but it's like it's in a tight support level right now. So like it's playing between the 56,000 level sort of, and then it's playing like the 71,000 level as resistance in a way. But we will see what happens with Bitcoin. That is my plan basically. My plan is to basically buy whenever, if Bitcoin decides to touch one of the moving averages, right? I'll, I'll do a quick buy of Bitcoin, right? And then if there's a certain entry point that I see like is a good entry, I'll buy in. But yeah, that is my plan for, reaching $1 million in cryptocurrency or in crypto. All right, so moving on, the next thing I want to talk about is the stocks that I talked about the other day, right? I made a list, right? Talking about all of these stocks that were, me personally were on sale, right? And most of these stocks did pretty good. I talked about Nvidia, Qualcomm, Nike, AMD, CRM, NVS, PayPal, Google, Meta, TSM, Baba, LLY, Mastercard, McDonald's, Visa, Apple, Amazon, and Disney. The only stocks that didn't do so good were Apple, Amazon, and Disney. So but pretty much the other stocks did pretty good. But Obviously, if I were to invest into these stocks for the long term, I would definitely hold onto these stocks for the long term. But, you know, uh, stocks are, in a way they're volatile too as well. So they'll always have their green days, they'll have their, red days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But overall, pretty much the stocks that I kept an eye on were Nvidia, AMD, CRM, Mastercard, and Visa. So they did pretty well. So I'm pretty happy that they did really well today. But yeah, so now the next thing I want to talk about is if you guys ever feel like you want to start dabbling into like investing into the stock market, right? There's this website called Finviz, and basically, you click where it says screener, right? And then you click on where it says market cap, right? And then you click on mega, right? And then you click on where it says performance. I think I already said that, but you click on performance, right? And then you click on performance year to date, and then it's gonna show the stocks, how they're perform like the ones that are currently like performing not so well throughout the year, or they're like close to the lowest low since the beginning of the year. I'm not sure if you guys understand that, right? But basically, for example, I was trading Pepsi, right? A while ago using that website Finviz, right? Let's see. So let's look at Pepsi, right? On the daily, right? So when I had looked at Finviz, Pepsi was at number one on the list, right? And so I looked, and then when I had looked at Pepsi, it was around the 161 area, right? Yeah, the 161, 162 area. And so that's where I took a couple trades with Pepsi, held it for the long term, right? And then I sold out once it reached like, I think it was 170. And yeah, and I did a pretty good amount of money just, holding on to Pepsi. But that's basically what I'm trying to say. You could use this website to analyze some stocks. You could analyze the whole list, right? And be like, oh, there's like support or there's resistance there, or I'm just gonna wait until it touches the resistance and see if it goes down further. If it goes down further, I'll enter into a small position there. But yeah, you could use this website to, either day trade or invest for the long term, right? Whatever you want to do, right? I'm just giving you this website so you can like, use it, or what stocks are out there that might be a good opportunity to look out for. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did well trading today. And if you guys want to learn to like trade, you can always paper trade. Webull lets you paper trade, and if you want to sign up with my Webull link, I don't even know what I'm saying. If you want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below. And other than that, I wish you the best of luck. As always, take care and have a good day or good night or whenever you're seeing this. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care. And I forgot to say this is not financial advice. Okay, take care. Bye.